What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Please Kick Spot, back with another video, and today we are going to be doing a restoration on these Columbia 11s. Oh, let's see. Let's try to get them in a better. I can't remember. Columbia 11s that are beat-ish. Yeah, they're beat. So first we're going to take the laces off camera. Let's do it. Alright, YouTube, so make sure it's cold and cold. If it's warm, your shoes will shrink, most likely. And that's it. What's up, YouTube? So we already finished. We're gonna ice these soles out right now, just because the rest I gotta redo the patent leather. It may not look bad, but like there's spots on there like he tried to paint. So I'm gonna redo that and repaint everything, but I'm gonna do that all last. So right now I'm gonna start the icing process. So let's get it. Alright, YouTube, so as of right now, we're going to be acetoning the leather, and we also will be reshining the patent leather. I'm going to make a separate video on how to do that, so it won't be in this video, but there will be a video on it. It's really easy, it's really simple, nothing special, but I'm acetoning the leather up here because it was the previous owner tried to repaint it. Yeah. On this shoe, you can sort of tell it's been repainted. But yeah, so we're gonna be using my Angelus Leather Prepare Indie Glazer. Shout out to Angelus. But yeah, so I'm gonna acetone this off camera, and by the time we get back, I will start to repaint this right here, like the little leather parts and the back right here. And I have to get some of this because I guess when he painted it, he hit that. So, and I already have my pre-mixed GC900 with the black. So I got that already set up. Let's get it. I'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, so I just finished the last coat. I did 5 coats on here. And on this, the heel part right here. So I did 5 coats all the way around. So it should be good. I'm going to put the finisher on tomorrow because it's dark outside. I'm going to dye the liner tomorrow also. And then we'll be done with the shoe and do it on feet. So I'll be back basically tomorrow, really, the next day, when we do the when we start to dye the black sock liner. So I'll be back. Alright, YouTube, so I just heat set the not the what is it, the sock liner. So the GC900 is in there now, still nice and soft, no paint's coming off. I'll rub, no paint comes off. I still had a little bit. So yeah, man, take this tape off. I didn't tape it the other side because I didn't think it was gonna be that easy, but I'm going to do some touch-ups right there and then heat set that. And then get that black, that guy right there, touch that up. First crack, yikes. Touch that up. And basically, yikes. Basically, that's going to be the end of this video. So I'm going to touch up the other parts. And next time you'll see this shoe is in the on feet in the next shot. So, I'll be back.